Welcome to our guide on using inventory management software. Today, we'll explore how these tools can revolutionize the way you manage your inventory. First, let's discuss the key benefits of using inventory management software, including improved efficiency, cost savings, and better tracking. When selecting software, be sure to look for key features like real-time tracking, integration capabilities, and a user-friendly interface. Now, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up your inventory management software effectively. Next, let's explore the best practices for inputting and tracking your inventory items effectively. Understanding reporting and analytics features is crucial. These tools provide insights that help inform your business decisions. Integration with other systems can streamline operations. We'll discuss how to effectively connect your inventory management software. Every tool comes with its challenges. We'll identify common issues and propose effective solutions. Our final topic covers best practices to optimize your inventory management processes for efficiency and effectiveness. In conclusion, leveraging inventory management software can significantly enhance your business success. Start integrating these tools today